character traits that you believe you have on the person? Or is it the pressure at that very moment, the situation? In this presentation, we would like to tackle this dilemma. Note that our aim is not merely to pick a side, which is better or which is worse. Our goal is to synthesize, meaning that we will analyze how these two factors complement or compete with each other. And in order to do that, we begin with the definition. So, the person refers to the stable internal characteristics that influence how someone behaves across different situations. And the situation naman refers to the external conditions, pressures, and social context that influence a person's behavior at a given moment. So to give example, the next slide. Ang person, para siyang anchor. It is a stable, long-lasting personality qualities that remain relatively consistent throughout time and situations. For example, this could look like the moral character of a person, what they believe in, what their virtues are, such as honesty or like that. And this could also look like individual differences. Some people are more aloof, some people are more extroverted. While this could also look like the innate capacities that we have for empathy and conscience. So on the other hand, for the situation, next slide. The situation, if the person is the anchor, the situation is like the weather or the upcoming storm. These are the external conditions or factors in the environment that influence how a person thinks or believes. So this could look like the roles that you have as a student or as a this could look like the roles that you have. Like as a student, you behave differently when you're a student or when you're a teacher. And this could also look like the norms, the culture that we have, which affects us every day. Or the authority, the policemen, and their leaders. So now that we know the definitions and examples, we may now dive into the evidence how these two factors influence human behavior.